This is how to save notebook in Databricks. So open your notebook, and if you have made changes with your notebook, for instance, let's change this to filtered DF. And if you want to save this changes, just click last edit was now, and you have your version history. So just save your version, and you can add a description and just click save. You can also save a local copy by going to file and export and choose your format. For instance, let's choose HTML, and you have downloaded a copy of your notebook. So this is how to save a notebook in Databricks.